Imagine being on a quiet road somewhere in the French countryside. Golden sunlight brushing across rolling hills, and you, sitting inside a motorhome that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than something on wheels. Now, imagine this. At the touch of a button, your entire living space transforms. A bed slides down from the ceiling. The lounge rearranges itself. And suddenly, your motorhome becomes a spacious, cozy bedroom without sacrificing your daytime living area. This is not a dream. This is the Voyageur LVE 7.8 GJF, a luxury motorhome that introduces one of the smartest, most space-saving bed systems ever designed. Today, we're diving deep into why this motorhome is being called the cleverest bed system on the road. Let's step inside and see how this masterpiece changes the way we travel. From the outside, the Voyageur LVE 7.8 GJF carries the signature French design language, clean lines, premium finishes, and a stance that instantly communicates luxury. The large panoramic windscreen gives you an incredible field of view on the road, while the LED daytime running lights give it that elegant, modern European look. The 7.8-meter length keeps it perfectly balanced, long enough to offer a full luxury layout, but still compact enough for city streets, coastal drives, and mountain trips. High-quality sidewalls, premium windows, insulated construction, everything feels engineered to create a true four-season home on the move. But the real magic is on the inside. Step into the cabin, and immediately you feel the warmth of the space. Soft LED accent lighting, warm textures, and clean wood surfaces welcome you in. The front lounge looks more like a luxury yacht. Cushioned seats, premium fabrics, and a dining table that feels built for long evening conversations. The cabin has a very open feel, thanks to the large windows bringing in natural light from every angle. But let's move to the real showstopper, the genius bed system. This is what makes the LVE 7.8 GJF different from almost every other motorhome in its class. Above the lounge, almost hidden, is a full-size drop-down bed system. But this isn't just any drop-down bed. This is engineering brilliance. At the push of a button, the bed lowers smoothly from the ceiling. No manual pulling. No rearranging seats. No removing cushions. Lock your door. It doesn't steal your lounge space, and it doesn't make the room feel small. Instead, it creates a private, comfortable, full-size sleeping area that feels like a real bedroom. And the clever part, the lounge stays usable even when the bed is down. You can sit, relax, read, or even watch TV underneath, something almost no other drop-down bed motorhome can offer. For couples, solo travelers, or full-timers who don't like climbing ladders or folding beds every night, this system is a dream. During the day, the LVE 7.8 GJF transforms into a luxury living room. The L-shaped lounge gives you plenty of space to stretch out. The captain's chairs rotate, creating seating for up to 5 people. The table feels solid and premium, perfect for meals, laptops, or even planning your next destination. Soft, indirect lighting gives the lounge a warm, relaxing feel in the evenings. It's spacious but not oversized, perfectly balanced for travelers who want comfort without losing mobility. Moving to the kitchen, Le Voyageur has truly packed in everything you need for long trips. You get a deep stainless steel sink, a premium gas hob, a large refrigerator, high storage capacities, overhead cabinets. The countertop feels sturdy and gives enough space for cooking, prepping meals, or making your morning coffee while enjoying a view out of the large window. This kitchen doesn't just look expansive, it feels built to last. The bathroom follows the same upscale design language. You get a fully separate shower with a high-quality door, not just a curtain. The lighting is warm, the storage is smart, and the shower height is surprisingly comfortable, even for taller travelers. The toilet area feels private, clean, and well-designed. Everything feels more like a hotel than a motel. One of the biggest surprises in the LVE 7.8 GJF is the storage. Despite having a drop-down bed, the designers still managed to give you deep overhead lockers, large under-seat compartments, clever side storage areas, a very usable rear garage for camping gear whether you travel for weekends or months at a time. This layout supports real, long-term living. On the road, the Voyageur LVE 7.8 GJF is built on a strong platform, giving you a smooth, confident, and quiet driving experience. The big windscreen opens up the view ahead, and the raised seating position gives you that captain of the road feeling. It's stable, comfortable, and noticeably quieter than many other motorhomes in its size class. Long-distance touring feels effortless. Compared to typical motorhomes in this category, the LVE 7.8 GJF stands out because of its genius bed system. Most drop-down beds either eat up lounge space, block the door, require manual adjustments, or make the ceiling feel low. This one does none of that. You get a full-size bed, no climbing, no folding, no seat rearranging, no loss of living space, and that combination is extremely rare. On top of that, the interior design is elegant. The lighting is premium. And the comfort level feels genuinely upscale. This is a motorhome for travelers who want clever engineering without losing the warmth of a home. Now I want to know from you. What do you think of this genius bed system? Would you prefer a drop-down bed like this, or a fixed rear bed layout? Tell me in the comments. Your feedback helps shape the next reviews. The Voyageur LVE 7.8 GJF is more than just a motorhome. It's a beautifully engineered traveling home that adapts to your lifestyle, whether you're relaxing with friends, cooking a quiet dinner, or transforming your lounge into a cozy bedroom at the touch of a button. It's clever, it's elegant, and it truly changes the way you think about space on the road. If you enjoyed this tour and want more luxury motorhome reviews, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we have many more incredible models coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Imagine being on a quiet road somewhere in the French countryside. Golden sunlight brushing across rolling hills, and you, sitting inside a motorhome that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than something on wheels. Now, imagine this. At the touch of a button, your entire living space transforms. A bed slides down from the ceiling. The lounge rearranges itself. And suddenly, your motorhome becomes a spacious, cozy bedroom without sacrificing your daytime living area. This is not a dream. This is the Voyageur LVE 7.8 GJF, a luxury motorhome that introduces one of the smartest, most space-saving bed systems ever designed. Today, we're diving deep into why this motorhome is being called the cleverest bed system on the road. Let's step inside and see how this masterpiece changes the way we travel.